Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Forerunner, pro tips step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Garmin Forerunner, unbox the device and ensure it's fully charged. Locate the power button, usually found on the side of the watch. Press and hold the power button until the Garmin logo appears on the screen. Once the device lights up, select your preferred language from the list available. Next, pair your Forerunner with your smartphone using the Garmin Connect app. To do this, download and open the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store. Follow the prompts in the app to create an account or log in if you already have one. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone to facilitate the pairing process. On your watch, navigate to the Settings menu and select Pair Phone. The app will display a code. Enter this code on your watch to complete the pairing. After successfully connecting, customize your user profile. Input details such as age, weight, height, and activity level to enhance tracking accuracy. Now, set up your activity preferences. Choose the types of activities you plan to track, like running, cycling, or swimming. Once your activities are set, personalize your watch face. This can be done through the watch settings or the Garmin Connect app. Select from various watch face designs available in the App Store to match your style. Next, configure your notifications to keep you updated while on the go. In the Garmin Connect app, navigate to Device Settings and enable notifications for calls, texts, and apps. Test the notifications by sending a message to your smartphone to ensure they sync correctly with your watch. Now, it's time to explore additional features. Utilize the training plans available in the Garmin Connect app to enhance your workouts. You can also set goals for your daily step count, calories burned, or distance covered. To maximize battery life, consider adjusting the display settings. Lower the brightness or reduce the screen timeout to extend usage between charges. Finally, familiarize yourself with the GPS functions. Before heading out for a run or a bike ride, ensure the GPS is activated for accurate tracking. With these steps completed, your Garmin Forerunner is ready for use. Enjoy tracking your activities and achieving your fitness goals with your new device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.